Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying carrier and local outage. This tells you whether the problem is external. Next, restart your iPhone and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds. This forces a fresh radio handshake. Then make sure cellular data is enabled and the preferred network, 5G, 4G, LTE, matches your plan. Once done, check for a SIM recognition message. If your SIM is unrecognized, power off and reset the SIM tray carefully before proceeding to the next set of fixes. You now tackle configuration issues. Go to Settings and reset network settings to remove bad profiles. Remember, this erases Wi-Fi passwords, so have them handy. Next, check for carrier settings and iOS updates. Carriers push fixes that restore registration and signal handling. If automatic network selection fails, manually choose your carrier from the cellular network selection menu. This can reattach you to the correct tower. Once done, restart the phone again, because updates or resets often require a reboot to complete re-registration. Finally, swap in a known good SIM or try your SIM in another phone to isolate SIM versus modem faults. If the SIM works elsewhere, the iPhone hardware may be the issue. If problems persist, back up and restore your iPhone or set it up as new to eliminate deep software corruption. Once done, run Apple Diagnostics or call your carrier for provisioning checks. Quick troubleshooting tip: if you still lose service, record signal bars, location, and times. That data speeds up carrier and Apple support triage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.